Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Recently, Supreme Court has issued an order to remove stray dogs from the public places and also mentioned to perform euthanasia on the rabid dogs as well as on the dangerous dogs, the dogs which are dangerous to the human beings. So now Punjab government has also announced to implement the orders of Supreme Court, and it has become a matter of concern among the dog lovers, and even different celebrities, they have also appealed the Punjab government to rethink on this announcement. So to discuss about this issue, we are having with us Dr. Sandeep Jain, who is from People for Animal NGO. Welcome, sir, to The Savera.
Thank you.
Sir, how you see the orders of Supreme Court and the announcement made by Punjab government?
Actually, the orders have to be made because the state governments were not working as per the law or as the directions given by the Supreme Court earlier also on, and the request and advisories of the Animal Welfare Board of India to adopt the animal birth control rules properly. Because these rules were framed in 2001.
Okay.
But up to the 25 years, more than 25 years have gone, but it has not been effectively implemented throughout the country.
Okay, right. So now, as in this recent order of a Supreme Court, which mentions that the stray dogs should be removed from the public places and euthanasia should be performed on the rabid dogs as well as incurable, the ill dogs and the dogs which are dangerous to the human beings. So how you see on this particular order?
Actually, the orders of Supreme Courts are as per the law. Because in Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 as well ABC rules 2023, the provision of euthanasia is there.
Okay.
For the incurably sick dogs or rabid dogs. And regarding the dangerous dogs, there is no criteria how to define them, and there has been no study how to detect, because a dog is dangerous for one person and friendly for the other residents of the colony.
Right. So even the word euthanasia, many dog lovers, they are also even against this the performing of euthanasia on the dogs.
Euthanasia is a scientific thing, and it has to be done as the procedure laid down in the SOP by the AWBI, Animal Welfare Board of India, and the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act, because it is a scientific. Even now in human beings, euthanasia is now recommended, and court has allowed euthanasia in human beings also, but it has to be taken case to case.
Okay.
Not all the dogs should be euthanized.
Right.
There is a misinterpretation of the judgment of Supreme Court. So people think, or many people say that all dogs will be killed.
Right.
Or eliminated. Eliminate is means they are killed.
Right.
But euthanasia is a scientific term, and it has to be done by adopting a specific procedure under section 13 of Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act.
Right. So, if we talk about this, the orders of Supreme Court, and the Punjab government has said that these orders will be implemented here in the state. So, do you feel that Punjab government, or here we are having proper infrastructure regarding this, or what kind of policy should be there that these orders can be implemented?
Yes, I think the judgment has to be studied carefully, and then plan should be made. And it is for the local authorities or the government to tell that they have specific arrangements for that or not. As per my knowledge, state has no shelters, no funds, no vehicles, no incinerator to burn the dead bodies of the dogs which are euthanized.
Right.
And no staff. Without this and making budgetary provisions for this, you cannot implement any such orders.
Right. For the euthanasia also, what kind of arrangements are required?
For euthanasia, the magistrate orders a local veterinarian of that area who is qualified veterinarian, government veterinarian, to certify that it is critical ill, it cannot be cured, and he on his advice he orders that the dog may be euthanized, and the method of euthanasia is also prescribed in the SOP. So you cannot give them rat poison or something else which is not prescribed by the AWBI. You can't give anything to kill them.
Right. Sir, in your opinion, what should be the ideal approach to control the stray dog menace apart from causing them harm?
The best thing is to effectively implement the animal birth control program.
Okay.
If the number will lessen, there will be less fights among them, less fights for the supremacy also in the dogs, because dogs become aggressive in the mating period,
Right.
male dogs, and in case of female dogs, they become aggressive when they give birth to the babies.
Right.
When the dogs are sterilized, there will be no chances of mating, and there will be no female will not give birth to any pups,
Right.
and she will not protect them for this.
Right.
Aggressiveness is naturally controlled.
Right. Sir, many residents, even including the senior citizens, they are concerned about the rising dog bite cases, and how you see on the other side regarding the, if we talk about the safety of the people.
Safety of people is also important, and in the ABC rules 2023, it has been clearly mentioned that the feeding points should be there in the colonies, or that should be earmarked by the municipal authorities.
Okay.
And the places should be selected where neither the senior citizen frequent or the children play there. It should be isolated corner. When food is given to them, there will be no disturbance.
Right.
The dogs will not cause harm.
Right. Sir, even some citizens, they also believe blame the feeders, that these feeders are responsible for the aggressive natures of the dogs. On the other side, the feeders, they mention that they provide the feeding just to make the dogs calm, to vaccinate them. So, what is your take on this debate?
Naturally, by feeding, you can calm down the dogs. But if you hate dogs or try to harm them, naturally they will do some harm to you also.
Right. Sir, in many villages as well as in the city areas, we find open dumping areas, as well as we find the dumping of carcasses also in the village area. How you see this is the prime cause behind the increasing number of stray dog attacks?
It is known fact that the dogs are scavengers. It cleans the atmosphere. It cleans by eating the raw animal parts and food thrown out by us, waste of the hotels, restaurants and slaughterhouses. And open dumping naturally give rise to this increased population also, but they clean the atmosphere also. But slaughterhouse waste and this open dumping of carcasses in this hadda rodis, so this should be stopped, because this give rise to aggressiveness in the dogs.
And if I'm coming again on the infrastructure wise, in Ludhiana we are having a dog sanctuary where over 100 dogs are being managed over there. So how you see the total infrastructure in the state?
I think the administration or government bodies, they can better comment on this, but as per my information, there is, and the reports in the media, only one such dog pound is there in whole state.
Right. So there is requirement of more and more such kind of ponds, and what more is required?
Naturally, if the court has directed, they have to arrange first and then start implementing this judgment.
Okay. So it has also been, the concern has been raised by some of the residents that there are some residents pet owners who abandon their pets. So do you agree or do you support this, that such pet owners should be penalized?
Yes, definitely. In prevention of cruelty animals, the cruelty to animals in 1960, there is provision that whosoever abandons his pets or cattle or animals, he has to be punished.
Right. Sir, at last, what message you want to give to the residents so that proper with the contribution of the society, the stray dog menace can be managed, and other, if the Punjab government is going to implement this order of Supreme Court, what should be the policies?
The policy has to be made by the government by consulting all the concerned, all the stakeholders, and animal welfare people also, animal welfare board also, and moreover, it can be made this amicably. It can be solved. The things can be solved amicably by sitting and by discussing all these aspects,
Right.
as per the law.
Right. And what message for the residents?
Actually, we are not only the owners of this earth. Every species has its right on earth and universe, and this should be respected by all.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So he is Dr. Sandeep Jain from People for Animals. So he reacted on this order by Supreme Court. He mentioned that all the directions given in the order by the Supreme Court, it is as per law, and euthanasia has to be performed as per law, as per the proper SOPs directed by the order, and Punjab government should make the provisions, make the proper policies accordingly. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.